All right, so here is, look, it's on wheels. You're not gonna believe this. This is a cart. Yeah, Nikki got this. She's picked up this habit. We'll call it a habit. It's actually a hobby, and she makes beautiful ceramic. The clay and stuff is really heavy to drag around. So she got this for herself to use as a cart, and it actually, you can use it as a seat. But let me show you the cart part first. Obviously it has wheels, and using it as a cart, it will hold up to 120 pounds. So that is a lot of clay, even by her standards. All you do is you pull it like this, the bottom folds down, and whammo, you have a cart right there. How about that? Again, 120 pounds in here. It has a nice set of wheels on the back. It's like regular luggage. It has the nice handle. And so then let me show you the cover. So this cover right here like that fits nice and firmly, like exactly the way it's supposed to fit. So this cover will hold 280 pounds. Now I see in their ad that it says you could use this as a step stool. Do not ever use this as a step stool. I don't know whose idea it was to say you could use something with wheels on it as a step stool. But if you want to sit, if it's a hot day and you're waiting for them to open up the ceramics classroom, you can absolutely sit on it comfortably and relax. I don't know if these would be vents, or there's certainly handles. Makes it nice and easy to pick it up, move it around, that kind of thing. And they're also going to keep it nicely ventilated. It also means that it's not exactly completely secure, but I don't think this is supposed to be a security piece anyway. Overall, I think Nikki nailed it on this. She picked this, she shopped it really hard and found this one and picked it out and asked me to set it up and talk about it, and I'm sitting here looking at it.
Different colors too.
The lady's pretty smart. I gotta go with her on a lot of things, and this cart is absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Nikki score because she picked it out. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.